ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba Kerman Chala bulong Menteri ke Sorkar Jela badu MLA jong ke clear constituency. Ulong ba umdan ke jing Pyrshah tani wat ban Kyrshan ya ke jing tunggu jong Sorkar Jela bat Pynpoi ya ke Lynti ha East Jaiñtia Hills District. Ha ke jing kran biglat pathai kubur. Uba Kerman Chala ulong ada kinu ki kampan roy ki Pynpoi ya ki pajba ulong bakloy ban ai jing Kyrshan ya kata. Henry lera ke kampan roy kamlong ke ba ai jing Pynpoi ru na ke bentau pajba ulong bakloy ban Pynpoi Pyrshah ya kata.
For us, if we feel that through railway that influx will increase, so why not we just ask the government to implement only the goods carrier? Because goods carrier, I believe that nothing will happen with influx, nothing to do with influx. It will just help us because the good carriers, it will reduce the cost of the materials, especially when we import something from outside the state. So that's why I said here to judge whether it's good or bad is too early. We have to know what exactly, because good carriers and public carriers, we can choose. If we feel that we don't want public carrier, even the government concerns also about that. If we have train station, at least the good carriers. Public transportation thing, people might not require it, but still, if it's there, they do require. But if they feel that not required, so still we can ask for goods carrier. That's one thing. If we have a goods carrier, this overloaded truck, especially the big trucks, which we comply through this national highway, because of them, we have seen that witness lots of accidents happen and lots of this thing, road damage has been done. Unless if we have a train, then goods carrier will be done by the train, and then public transport will be done by road. So the road condition also will be good, and public will have no traffic problems. That is what I feel my personal. But in the end, public's concern is very important.